good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am up. It's a brand new day, and I am picking up the slack of Babe, as Babe is out of town for a few days. This part of the job I wouldn't have to be doing in the morning. I would be getting a little extra rest. Babe is out of town. So I have to make Tyler breakfast, which I would normally do. Babe will take care of that for me. But I've been alone with the kiddos, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm here making Tyler breakfast and about to get him ready for school while Princess still sleeping. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. So I am getting everything done right now in order to leave out on time and make sure that Tyler is at school on time. Ooh, hope I didn't make your tea too hot, pumpkin.
What did you say? What did you say, Mama?
I said, I hope I didn't make your tea too hot.
Okay.
Yes, turn it on.
Okay.
So if you guys know anything about Tyler, you know that he have tea and toast. When I say tea, I mean hot chocolate and toast every morning for breakfast. That's his favorite thing to have. He's a real French boy.
One of my next favorite thing to have is the tea and biscuit and smiley biscuit.
Right, tea and biscuit. And you have to cut this toast into 4.
Yes. Or those into 5.
Oreos into 5.
Yes.
Oh. You say morning to the face?
Morning, please.
Alright, here we go.
Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome, baby.
It is not easy to put like
Oh! It's okay, I'll go for it. That's how Papa do it in the mornings?
Yes, every day when you do tea for me.
Alright, you're gonna have your breakfast and let me go get you dressed for school, okay? I just want to let you guys know to have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Whatever it is that you need to get done today, hopefully you will use time management and accomplish as much as you want to get done. I, on the other hand, is in workout attire, because whatever time today I can sneak in a little peek, then I'll do that. Princess is still sleeping, so you guys will see her as soon as she wakes up. Yeah, I'm about to hit this day hard, y'all. Baby girl is 6 months old today. Can you believe that? Where has time gone? Time is just flying by so fast. If I blink, I miss every moment. That's one of the joys of vlogging, to capture her every little moment. Because vlogging, I tell you, does something. When I look back on Tyler, when Tyler was a baby, because we've started vlogging when Tyler was 7 months. When I look back on Tyler's video now, it just warms my heart. And to know that I'll have Sarah on from the beginning, that's just everything. So I'll be taking her 6 months pictures today. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram so you can see all her pictures that I'll be posting. I post her pictures each month. So yeah, I'll be doing that today. Okay, you're gonna have a good day at school today, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna do what?
Be nice.
And?
Be a leader.
A leader.
A leader.
And?
Not a follower.
Very good. And?
And don't be naughty.
Very good. And?
And work properly.
Very good. And?
And listen to my teacher.
Bravo. And?
And I'll be patient.
Very good. And what else?
And that's it.
And share with?
All the toys that I have.
With?
All the toys that I have.
Who are you gonna share with?
Everyone.
Very good.
This car. Happy 6 months.
Happy 6 months! Happy 6 months! Happy 6 months, princess! Hello! You're awake. You're awake, you wakey. You're awake, you wakey. You're awake, you wakey. Hi, it's time to go get mother to school. Let's go. Let's go. Mm.
Every day, you know why every day I'm bigger than her?
Why?
Because I'm always going to be her big brother.
Yeah, because you were born before her.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, okay? Yo, my baby officially start crawling today. Look at her. She officially is crawling today. So we'll just say Sarah start crawling at 6 months. Right, Sarah? That's what we'll say. Let's try and get some 6-month pictures. Go get Minnie. Go get Minnie. Go on. Go get Minnie. Go for it. Go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Mama. Go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Mama. Go get it. Yeah. That's it, girl. Go on. Go get it. That's it. Good girl. Go on. Up and go. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Go. You're too sexy. Come. Come. Come here. Come. Come on. Come on. Come for it. Come. Come on. You can do it. Up. Come. Come. Come on. That's it, big girl. That's it, Mama. Come. Come. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come for it. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, I can't take your picture because you won't stop moving. Look. Sarah. Are you gonna let me get one picture? Just one. Just one. Just one. Hey. Just one. Just one. Ah. Ah. Just one. 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 Yes. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Yo, it's hell for me. It's trouble for me to get a picture with this little one these days. She doesn't stay still. She's on the go. Look at her. She's gone. She's gone. She is crawling. Gone. Gone, gone. You're gone? I can't even get a picture with her still anymore. Guys, Sarah finally fell asleep, so it's time for me to get a little workout in real quick before she wake up. So let's do this. Make sure you guys get your workout in. When I'm coming, I'm back home. I was away for a couple of days for working reason. Went to Paris this time. Went to Paris. Paris is pretty but cold and rainy and gray and everything that remind me why I don't live there. But it's a pretty city. Every time I'm there, it's a pretty city. So yeah, I was away for today. I leave babe home alone with 2 kids. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Well, I didn't have choice. So yeah, hope she did well. I'm sure she did well. Come back earlier. Well, it was after 7, almost 8 p.m. Just ate and she went to bed. She felt extra tired. You know, sometimes you come back home and you have your wife or your husband, doesn't matter who was away, just waiting on you and then talking together, chilling and all of these things. So no, this is not what happened this time. It's just she was waiting for me to go to sleep. Yeah, I guess she was extremely tired, but the kids are good. She did a very good job. Gonna watch the vlog and see the amazing job that she have done. Yes, I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing well. I slept in the plane, so I'm not going to bed right now. Gonna watch some TV, gonna enjoy, and yeah, gonna enjoy while baby is sleeping. Wild, sorry, a lot of sorry tonight. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing well
And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.